Hello everyone, welcome to the Unsalted Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy baked salmon with homemade sweet and sour sauce for dinner. Let me show you all the ingredients we'll need, shall we? The ingredients I'll need to make the sweet and sour sauce are garlic, minced onions, chopped, red bell pepper, green bell peppers, also chopped, brown sugar, apple cider, cocoa aminos, unsalted ketchup, half teaspoon of garlic powder, as well as onion powder, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 8 ounces crushed pineapple, and 6 ounces pineapple juice. This is optional if you like extra sour. Okay, so let's get started. First, combine water, cornstarch, garlic, and onion powder. Mix well and set it aside. I also added about half teaspoon of white pepper to the mixture. Next, in a small bowl, add together the sugar, ketchup, apple cider, cocoa amino sauce. Whisk the mixtures until all well combined and set it aside. You know what, folks? There are always those classic dishes that seem to live on through the years because they're just that good. Sweet and sour fish is one of those recipes for me, and I had to share my version that's just as good as any restaurant. An easy and pleasing dish for the entire family. In this part, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Then add the garlic and onions and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until onions are translucent. Sweet and sour is a common term that's bound in many styles of sauce, cuisine, and cooking procedure. Also, the sauce is frequently used in Asia and has been used in England since the 5th century. Take note, sweet and sour remains popular in Europe and the Americas. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking the garlic and onions, add red and green bell peppers to the pan. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until vegetables are just tender. Stir in the pineapple too after a minute. Pour the vinegar mixtures into the pan with the peppers, onions, and pineapple. Give a little stir, add pineapple juice, and bring to a simmer. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, add the cornstarch mixtures. Cook for extra minute or until the sauce has thickened. In Filipino cuisine, sweet and sour sauces are known as agri-dulce. It is made by mixing cornstarch with water, salt, sugar, and tangy ingredients, typically tomato ketchup, banana ketchup, or pineapples. The mixture is brought to a boil, then simmered until it thickens. Sour, sweet in the Philippines, Spanish from Spanish agrio, sour, and dulce means sweet. Well, there you go. You have it. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comments, so please tell me what you think about this video. It's dinner time. See you later. Bye.